Don't be distracted by the noise of your thoughts. This is the advice I gave to a friend of mine who I'm coaching. And it was about considering what next, what should I do next? And running across all the possible alternatives, weighting them, and trying to understand what's best for me. And this process is noisy. It is a lot of noise going on in your brain, in your mind. It is thoughts about thoughts. It's a complex mesh of alternatives and things that you have to think about. If you force yourself in this messy, noisy environment, you end up missing the simple insight that comes from within you. And that is not a thought. That is not a feeling about a thought. It is what you create and what it is obvious for you to create. Even before you give it a name, even before you vocalize it, even in your mind with a thought, even before thinking of your creation, you do create it. It exists in your mind, but not in your thoughts. Allow that vision, that understanding, that spirit to flow freely. Instead of covering and surrounding it and destroying it with a mass of thoughts that are just a lot of noise in your head. So, you think, but don't overthink. And if you can, stop thinking and start feeling and understanding, not even feeling, understanding what your inner spirit is telling you. Because it knows exactly what you want, it knows exactly what you want to do, it knows exactly how you're going to get it. Don't break the magic by thinking and overthinking.